Ever wondered how people paid for things before money? They bartered, trading apples for shoes, for example. But what if the shoemaker didn't want apples? Bartering was clunky and needed an upgrade. So humans invented money. First shells and shiny rocks, then coins of gold and silver, and later paper bills. Each step made trading easier. As societies grew, banks offered safe storage, and checks let us pay without carrying cash. The last century brought credit and debit cards. Suddenly, paying was as easy as a swipe. Then came the internet, and with it, online shopping and digital payments. Buying from anywhere became possible, but digital payments still had limits. Fees, slow transfers, and barriers for sending money across borders. Today, we live in a global village, connected by our phones. We can message friends instantly. So why is sending money still slow and expensive? We need a new kind of money, one that's global, fast, and belongs to everyone. Imagine a currency as easy to send as an email, built for the internet age. The stage is set for a new hero in our financial story. The world is ready for a payment method that's truly for the people, by the people. We're on the brink of a revolution in how we exchange value. The next chapter in payments is about to begin. Are you ready to meet the future of money? Let's discover the next big idea together. Meet PiCoin, a new kind of digital money or cryptocurrency designed for everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which can be hard to access, Pi is simple. All you need is a smartphone. The creators from Stanford wanted to make digital currency accessible to all, not just a select few. With the Pi Network app, you earn Pi coins by being an active, trusted member of the community. Just open the app and tap a button daily. No expensive computers or wasted energy. Pi's vision is real-world use. Buy coffee, shop online, or pay for groceries with Pi you've earned. It's not just a coin to collect, but a currency to use. Pi is a serious project, building a new digital payment system from the ground up. A new star is rising in the digital sky, and it's inviting everyone to join. PiCoin's superpowers? Speed, security, and global reach. Sending money with banks can take days. With Pi, it's seconds, like sending a text. Security comes from blockchain technology, a digital notebook shared by all users, sealed with unbreakable digital locks. No one can secretly change records, making Pi transparent and safe. Pi is borderless. Send value to anyone, anywhere, with almost no fees. No banks or middlemen taking a cut. These superpowers make Pi a powerful tool for today's world. Fast for busy lives, secure for peace of mind, and global to connect us all. It's more than better payments, it's a fairer financial system. Whether you're a business owner, student, or just want a smarter way to pay, PiCoin is here to help. The future of money is fast, safe, and everywhere. PiCoin is ready for the world, and the world is ready for Pi. Are you? How does Pi fit into daily life? Imagine buying coffee at a cafe that accepts Pi. Instead of cash or card, you scan a QR code with your phone, enter the amount, and tap send. Payment complete in seconds. Shopping online? Choose Pay with Pi. Scan the code, confirm, and your purchase is on its way. No international fees or delays. Sending money to family abroad? Open your Pi wallet, enter their address, and send. Almost all your money arrives instantly, with minimal fees. Pi turns your smartphone into a global wallet. If you can use apps, you can use Pi. Pi removes the barriers that make finance intimidating. Payments become simple, natural, and empowering. It's about connecting you to a worldwide community, not just goods and services. From coffee to global shopping to supporting family, Pi fits seamlessly into your life. The future of payments is in your pocket. With Pi, sending money is as easy as sending a text. Welcome to the new normal. How does PiCoin stack up against banks and credit cards? Accessibility. Banks require documents and minimum deposits. Billions are left out. Pi only needs a smartphone and internet. Anyone can join. Fees. Credit cards and banks charge high fees. Pi's fees are tiny fractions of a cent, keeping more money in your pocket. control. Banks and big tech control your money and can freeze accounts. Pi is decentralized. No single authority, just a global community. Innovation. Traditional banks are slow to change. Pi is built for the future, using cutting-edge, efficient technology. Old money systems are like old cars, reliable but outdated. Pi is the sleek, electric vehicle for the digital age. It's efficient, user-friendly, and designed for a connected world. Pi gives power back to the people. It's not just a new way to pay, it's a new way to participate in the global economy. In this friendly showdown, Pi coin is leading the way. The future belongs to those who innovate. Are you ready to join the next generation of money? With Pi, the world of payments is open to all. The choice is yours. Welcome to the future. What makes Pi coin secure and efficient? The Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP. Imagine friends agreeing on a movie in small, trusted groups. That's how SCP works. Trust circles confirm transactions quickly and efficiently. No need for power-hungry computers. Pi uses your social connections, not electricity, to secure the network. Each user forms a security circle of trusted people, creating a global trust graph. Transactions are confirmed by these circles, making Pi fast and eco-friendly. Unlike old cryptocurrencies that burn energy, Pi is green and sustainable. It's a technological and social innovation, security built on trust, not brute force. The best technology brings people together. Pi proves strong security doesn't have to harm the planet. It's a smarter, cleaner way to build the future of money. Pi's real strength is its community, a global family of millions called pioneers. Teachers, artists, engineers, and students all believe in a fairer financial system. Pioneers secure the network, invite friends, and build apps and services for the Pi ecosystem. Developers create games, marketplaces, and more, powered by Pi. The Pi core team encourages participation and values ideas from everywhere. This isn't a top-down project, it's a partnership between creators and users. The community's passion ensures Pi's long-term success. When you join Pi, you join a movement, not just an app. It's about building a more connected, empowered financial future. Technology is only as strong as its people. With Pi, you're part of something bigger. Pi is already making a difference even before its full launch. In some places, people trade goods and services using Pi, like a baker in Vietnam exchanging bread for Pi. Freelancers in Nigeria get paid instantly for their work, avoiding high fees and delays. Students in the Philippines use Pi to organize events, paying vendors and each other within a local Pi economy. These stories show Pi is more than technology. It's a tool for connection and empowerment. Small businesses and individuals are finding new opportunities. Pi is opening doors where traditional finance falls short. Early pioneers are building a people-powered economy. The future is already taking shape. The world of payments is changing fast, from bartering to digital currency. Pi coin puts financial power back in people's hands, no matter where they live. Imagine a world where anyone can send value instantly, with no barriers. Artisans sell directly to buyers, students receive money in seconds, and everyone participates in the global economy. Pi is building this world. One community, one currency. It's not just technology, it's a movement for a fairer, more connected future. Every tap on the Pi app is a step toward empowerment. The future of payments is about connection and opportunity for all. With Pi, we're building that future together. One world, one new way to pay. Join the movement. Become a pioneer.